Using Shopify in South Africa is a straightforward process that allows you to create a professional online store and start selling products to customers. To get started, you need to sign up for a Shopify account, which can be done by visiting the Shopify website and clicking on the Get Started button. You will be asked to provide some basic information such as your email address, password, and store name. Once you have signed up, you can choose a plan that suits your business needs, with options ranging from basic to advanced. Next, you need to set up your store by adding a theme, customizing your storefront, and adding products. You can choose from a variety of free and paid themes, and customize your storefront by adding a logo, changing colors, and adding a slideshow. To add products, you can click on the Products tab and add a new product, where you can enter product details such as name, description, price, and images. You can also organize your products into collections and categories to make it easier for customers to find what they are looking for. In terms of payment gateways, Shopify supports a variety of payment options in South Africa, including PayFast, PayGate, and DPO PayGate. You can also set up shipping options and rates, and configure tax rates according to South African tax laws. To make your store visible to customers, you need to set up a domain name, which can be purchased through Shopify or a third-party registrar. You can also set up social media accounts and connect them to your Shopify store to reach a wider audience. Finally, you can use Shopify Analytics to track sales, customer behavior, and marketing performance, and make data-driven decisions to grow your business. By following these steps, you can create a successful online store using Shopify in South Africa and start selling products to customers. It is also important to note that Shopify has a variety of resources and support available to help you get started, including documentation, webinars, and a community forum. Additionally, you can hire a Shopify expert or developer to help you with customizing your store and resolving any technical issues. Overall, using Shopify in South Africa is a great way to start and grow an online business. With its user-friendly interface, flexible plans, and extensive resources and support,